Hey guys, it's beautiful outside. The snow is finally gone. We finally got onto our test lake and we're delivering boats. This beautiful ATX here is going to one of our really nice customers of ours, but I wanted to show you guys about it because we got boats still left over and they're under 150 grand right now if you want to get into a beautiful new ATX by Tige. So just give us a call, 306-651-2333, or go online, www.gtperform.com, or my favorite, stop by, say hi, and we'll walk you through this beauty.